the day is yours. Take advantage of it. We have team members across campus ready to answer your questions. We'll have admissions counselors, staff from various offices, faculty members, current students, and so many more people all across campus ready to talk to you, so definitely take advantage. Also, take some time to talk to our current students and get a better idea of life on campus.
If I could recommend only one thing, it would be to divide and conquer. When I visited, my parents and I took full advantage of our day. Each of us coordinated which sessions to go to so that we could make the most out of our day.
ASD is the only day that all our residence halls are open to visitors, so come on in and find which residence hall is for you. And you'll definitely want to take the short walk or bus ride over to Williams Village. It's one of our 3 residential neighborhoods here at CU and offers tons of different opportunities and experiences. Make sure to head over to the Village Center. It's one of our newest dining centers and it has waffles 24 hours a day, every single day. Plus, we have the Innovation Station. It's an amazing makerspace for the entrepreneurial and innovative spirit.
During ASD, you'll be able to see as much of the campus as you want, and there's plenty to explore, so make sure you come wearing comfy shoes. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated. Bring a water bottle and fill it up around campus as you travel about the day. Also, don't forget a pen and notepad. After you leave, you'll appreciate having taken notes on what you liked, what you didn't, and what you loved. It'll make it so much easier to make that pro-con list that you might use to make your final decision.
If at any point you don't know what to do next, head over to Fair and Field, where ambassadors will be giving tours, which gives you an inside look at the university and an opportunity to orient yourself. While you're there, you might want to grab a selfie. All of CU Boulder is beautiful, but the Flatirons are an especially fantastic backdrop with the Fair and Arch perfectly outlining them. Anything you post on Instagram, make sure to tag us with the hashtag ASD@CU.
To wrap up the day, if you think you're going to be a CU buff, head over to the Office of Admissions and confirm your intent to enroll.
Thanks everybody, and we'll see you at ASD.